This is a sheet here to recall and list whatever you have observed about the quadrilaterals. So how to fill it, I'll tell you later. First of all, you have to make this table on a drawing sheet or any other blank paper. So here we have 5 columns with these headers, okay, and we have 7 row headers. You can go through them. First is quadrilateral, trapezium, parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, square, and kite. So you have to make a table, okay, like this. Now I'll be telling you how to fill it up. Our first header is all angles sum up to 360 degree. So against every figure, you have to mention whether their angles sum up to 180 degree or not. You have already measured all 4 angles, so you can conclude it from there. Okay, so in a quadrilateral, I mean a simple quadrilateral which is not a trapezium, parallelogram, rhombus, means which does not have any other specific property. So yeah, a quadrilateral, a simple quadrilateral do have 4 angles, and you have to see whether they sum up to 360 degree or not. If it is yes, then put yes, otherwise no. Similarly, you have to check for rest of the quadrilaterals whether their angles sum up to 360 degree or not. Then comes about sides equal. So here what you have to write, whether their sides are equal or not. Now if we talk about rectangle and square, okay, in a rectangle, square the sides are equal, in a rectangle also the sides are equal, but in rectangle only opposite sides are equal, and in square all sides are equal. So you have to make the specific entry. So in this column you'll make specific entry. In rectangle you'll write opposite sides are equal. Okay, both pairs of opposite sides equal, and in squares all sides are equal. Okay, similarly you have to recall the properties of all the quadrilateral, and then you have to write that whether in a simple trapezium is there any side equal, any pair of opposite, adjacent, whatever, and you have to make your specific entry here. Okay, you cannot end up filling this column by true or false, yes or no. Okay, then similarly for angles equal, are angles equal in any of the quadrilateral? Okay, are there any angles equal in a simple quadrilateral or in a simple trapezium or in a parallelogram? And if yes they are, then you have to write which type of, were they adjacent pairs, adjacent angles are equal, all 4 pairs of adjacent angles, or only 2 pairs of adjacent angles, both pair of opposite angles, or only 1 pair of opposite angles, or all angles. Means these are the options, and you have to make a specific entry here also. Okay, now angles sum up to 180 degree. Now you have to again be specific. Is there, when I'm writing angle sum up to 180 degree, I'm talking about a pair of, is there any pair of angles which sum up to 180 degree? Okay, so you have to make a specific entry. In a trapezium, is there any pair of angles which sum up to 180 degree? Okay, and if there is any, so how many pairs are there? You have to write down the number of pairs also and name of pairs also. Means whether they were opposite or adjacent, or whether they were 2 or 1 or all 4 pairs. Got it? And opposite sides parallel, again you have to make a specific entry in a particular quadrilateral whether both pair of opposite sides equal or a single pair of opposite sides equal. So that's what you have to this sheet. Just fill it up, then you have to upload it.